What is up, guys? And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about what you should do to become better at different types of skills in Animal Company. So, let's start out with the first one, noob. So, if you're a noob, I suggest you just go mining, not lava or anything crazy like that. Just go into the mines, and then just start, mining gold and all that, and then get more money, and so on and so forth. But I think also you could do is, if you have friends who also play Animal Company, then you should try to just go mining together. But now we're at the amateur level. If you're an amateur in this game, you're better than the noob. So, what I think that you should do is still mining, but right now, you should at least have the crowbar unlocked. So, I think you should go in this lava mine. And just mine some lava ore. The lava ore is that whenever it gets broken, it turns into that. So now if you're an intermediate, then you should be able to, you should at least have the hookshot unlocked. The hookshot is a must-have, so if you don't have that unlocked, you should probably start unlocking it. Also, now you could actually go explore down in the mines also. This is all just for what's in the mines. Or for amateur also, you could go in forest. For intermediate, you could go in sewers, forest, really anywhere. And mines too, so. Intermediate, you should just focus on, surviving or maybe do the zombies. For intermediate, you could also start killing ogre and the chicken and also the zombies. You could go to Dark Forest Haunted Mansion. And really, also, if you want to do something fun that's not exploring the maps, you could also go into friendly fire code and try to fight people, although you probably die. An expert, if you want to do anything, you probably can't do it. And expert, you could go to sewers, you could go to mines, you could go to forest, you could go anywhere. And now for other stuff to do, I'd suggest you could also try to create a goop machine once you get rich. And also, you could go try to defeat the mom boss, which is in circus. You could also, you could try to defeat the shadow boss. The lava boss isn't, it's not working. And now, Hookshots and teleport guns don't work. but umbrellas do. And I'll show you where the monster is, but... And... if you really want to challenge yourself, you could try to defeat all the monsters in Smiley, but the only way to get out is, well, done. So... So, if you want to challenge yourself, then well, do Smiley. And you're gonna die anyway, so, because that's the only way to get out. So, I'm gonna go try to kill the monsters. So the only way to die here is either falling off the map or dying to these guys. Also, you can kill them. So that is gonna be it for today's. So, once I die, yeah. So it truly is just, well, if you go in here, you gotta die. That's just the truth. Anyway, last time, if you wanna have a chance to meet me, DVDF5 and Animal Company. So I'll see y'all in the next one.